Meet the 2024 Ram ProMaster 1500 Tradesman cargo van built to handle your toughest jobs. With a sleek granite crystal metallic exterior and a durable black interior, this van is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, offering the perfect blend of power and efficiency. Safety comes first with advanced features like full speed forward collision warning, pedestrian emergency braking, and drowsy driver detection. The ProMaster's electronic stability control, crosswind assist, and trailer sway dampening ensure a smooth, controlled drive. Inside, you'll find cloth bucket seats, a Uconnect 5 system with 7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and hands-free phone and audio. The van is equipped with practical features like a 24-gallon fuel tank, 180-amp alternator, and multiple power outlets, perfect for any work site. The 2024 Ram ProMaster, reliable, rugged, and ready for anything. Visit whitesidecars.com, where your satisfaction comes first.